My name is Jacob Willenberg with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and today I'm breaking down the 2025 Quarter 2 numbers for the Panama City Beach housing and condo market. First, we're going to take a look at the housing market. In Quarter 2, we had 967 homes for sale, which is up 4% compared to 2024. We had about the same number of new listings coming on the market. There was, however, 13% more contracts being written and 6% less homes sold compared to 2024. Looking at the condo market, we had about 1,445 units on the market, down 7% compared to the Quarter 2 of 2024. There were 8% more units coming on the market, with 27% fewer contracts being written and 36% fewer units sold in Quarter 2. If you have seen my market updates before, then you know one key metric I like to follow is months of inventory. What this means is how long it would take to completely sell out of inventory if no new home or unit came on the market. Traditionally, 5 to 6 months is a neutral market, with anything above in buyer's market territory and anything below in seller's market. Let's first take a look at the months of inventory for the housing market. If we look at Quarter 2 in 2024, in April, we were at 7.62 months of inventory and ended the quarter at 6.85 months. This year, we saw a similar trend, starting in April a little higher at 8.93 months and ending in June a little better at 6.45 months. So what do these numbers tell us about the Panama City Beach housing market? We are following similar trends that we saw last year in Quarter 2, typically seeing the months of inventory go down as we get through summer. The second half of the year, we typically see the months of inventory increase, so that is something that I will be monitoring closely. I am, however, very optimistic that we are seeing about a neutral market in the housing market here in Panama City Beach. Now let's take a look at the months of inventory in the condo market. In Quarter 2 of 2024, we are around 3 to 6 months. In Quarter 2 of this year, we started in April at 12.44 months and ended June at 15.61 months. We're continuing to see prices come down in the condo market. Typically at the end of summer, we see an influx of units coming on the market as we end the summer rental season. If this happens again, then we can see months of inventory go much higher than 15.61 months, which is going to put greater pressure on pricing. If you're looking to list your condo, you may want to consider doing it now or be prepared to wait several years. If you have any questions about the condo or the housing market, feel free to reach out.